welcome back. Here to do an unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This is my second one. I had the one last year. I didn't keep it long, not because I didn't like it. My work and everything like that. The iPhone was my device that I used. I did opt for the 512 gigabytes, since you can upgrade. Part of the $200 credit, you can, upgrade to the next storage level. And I plan on keeping this for a while, so that's why I went with the 512, even though I don't even use that much. All right, so here it goes. Put them right there. And again, same thing. All that's in here is just your booklets, and then the Type-C to Type-C cable, and the SIM ejection tool. Move that out the way. It's matte black. Love it. All right. Go ahead and first close. Feels good. I don't think I have a problem with the narrowness of the screen. I've seen a lot of videos, people complaining about the narrowness of the screen and not being used to it. And I have pretty big hands, and I use a swipe gesture, so I mean that's nothing for me to quick type. Of course, on this one they have the camera underneath the screen. It's not the best quality. It's not the best megapixels. I believe it's a 4, but I gotta double check. As you can see, it disappeared. I'm looking at it right now, and yes, you can kind of see like the little dots and everything like that, but I'd rather have that than to have the black hole, because it only shows up really when you're using a white background. If you have a black background, you can hardly see it as much. And I always use dark wallpapers, so it's not a really big deal for me. I had the S21 Ultra matte black. I love that feel about it. So on the side, of course, you have your SIM card slot, your 5G antenna band, up and down rocker, fingerprint, power button. At the bottom, you do have your speaker, microphone, Type-C, top, microphone, speaker grill. So that's a little quick unboxing. Pop my SIM card in here, get it all set up, and then I'll come back in a couple of days with my review on it, see how I like it. Also, I will be posting videos because I did get the Galaxy Buds too. I got the tag, and then I also got the 3-spot charging station, so I could charge 2 phones, and then the watch, which I will be doing a video on the Galaxy Watch 4, 44 millimeters. That I should get that by Friday, I believe, and then which tomorrow, or whatever day you're watching this video. So I'll do a quick unboxing of that and a review of that as well. And then I'll do a video on some accessories. I got the case that came with it with the S Pen, and then I have the outer box cases coming. All right, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Until next time, peace.